Hi, welcome to Mati's Cookbook. Today's recipe in Mati's Cookbook is a very tasty plums tokku. These are the ingredients we need to make this very tasty tokku. First, choose 3 ripe plums like this and cut them into halves. Remove the seed in between them and chop them into bigger cubes roughly. The more riper the plums are, the more tasty the tokku would be. Transfer these cubes to a mixer jar and grind them into a puree. Now, plum puree is ready. Set this aside. Meanwhile, heat a pan and add 4 teaspoons of gingerly oil to it. Always use gingerly oil to make tokku varieties for that extra flavor from it. Let the oil becomes hot. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds to the hot oil and wait for them to get roasted. Once they are roasted, add a handful of curry leaves and wait for them to get roasted. Meanwhile, place the stove in a low flame and add the pureed plums to it. Mix the plum puree in the oil and let them cook until the raw smell of the plum puree goes off. It should take about 3 to 5 minutes for the raw smell to go off. In this stage, add required amount of salt to taste for the plums tokku. Let the whole process of making this tokku happen in a medium-low flame. The water content from the plums had to completely evaporate and the puree should become thick. Now we can see the water content is slowly getting evaporated. In this stage, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 1/4 teaspoons of red chilli powder for this tokku. I have used only 1 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder for this tokku because my red chilli powder was very spicy. You can increase or decrease the red chilli powder based on your spice levels. Combine all of them together and let it cook until the raw smell of the spice powders goes off. Make sure to cook this tokku in a medium-low flame to avoid any burning at the bottom. We can now see the tokku is slowly getting thickened and the water content is beginning to get reduced. As the tokku gets thickened, add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida powder for the flavor and quickly mix them. This tokku stays very well outside for about 1 week to 10 days if handled properly with a dry spoon. Now we can see the oil is slowly getting over the top. In this stage, add 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek powder or methi powder and combine them together. If you do not have methi powder, you can very well add whole fenugreek or mustard seeds at the beginning itself. Now we can see the water content is almost gone from this plums and the tokku is getting thickened. Now the tokku is ready and we can serve this very tasty tokku with a simple bowl of curd rice or alongside with idli, dosa, chapati or even with sandwiches as a spread. Let them cool down and store them in a glass container. Now plums tokku is ready. Thanks for watching and subscribe.